Hello, friend. Have you heard? It's Cyber Monday, so you're probably back at work on the computer on Amazon looking for stuff, looking for deals. I had an idea. Instead of different stores having different deals, let's just everybody make their stuff 20% off until Christmas. Every item at every store, from Black Friday to December 25th, 20% off across the board. Wouldn't that be simpler? Anyway, I know you're busy, so I'm going to skip the pretense and get right to it. I am pumped to announce that I have a new ebook out. It's called Problems to Proverbs Ancient Wisdom for the Modern World, Volume 2. It's a sequel to Volume 1, imagine that, which I put out this past summer. It encompasses about 9 years of my life, and it's a collection of thoughts, insights, revelations, things we may need to be reminded of, or questions we maybe should be asking. So I'm letting you, yes, you, into my secret notebook behind the mystical curtain of my Google Docs. I'm giving you access to my ongoing dialogue with my higher power. I'm letting you into how I'm processing this thing called life and how life is processing me. And it is processing me like ground beef through the machine. And I'm hoping to become a delicious hamburger for you, the listener, to consume. We'll see. And it's not just me, it's us collectively. We're all being shaped and molded. We're all in this together. Everybody's basically doing the best, right? Or the best their current framework allows them to do. So, Problems to Proverbs Ancient Wisdom for the Modern World, Volume 2. If you read Volume 1, which is still available, by the way, for free, but if you read Volume 1, it's the same format. Volume 2 is much longer, and it looks better. We put more thought and effort into the design this time. And even though it's longer, it doesn't take long to read. I know everyone's time is valuable. We're all adults. We have stuff going on. We can't just be pausing to read all the time. But that being said, I'd love for you to read it. I'd love to have your feedback and know which page hits you the hardest or helps you the most. I just think that in a world full of trinkets and knickknacks and junk food and impulse buys, a world that seems to celebrate vanity and fleeting virality, a world in which we're so tempted to spend money we don't have on things we don't need, it might be nice to put a little wisdom under the tree this year, some insight in the stocking, maybe unwrap some understanding. In Proverbs 19, Solomon says, "He who gets wisdom loves his own soul. He who keeps understanding will find good." And in chapter 4, he says, "Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom. And in all you're getting, get understanding." In all you're getting. In all you're getting. And this is the season of getting, right? And giving, of course. But we're getting a lot of stuff. Gifts, cards, invitations, wrapping paper, decorations, ingredients. In all you're getting, get understanding, Solomon says. And I know that all understanding can't be attained through reading. You have to experience things and process your experience. But if I can get you to consider something you've never considered, if I can alter your trajectory just a bit, if I can bump the boat, so to speak, if one nugget of truth from this book can cause a piece of the puzzle to fall into place exactly as it should be, then I think that's worth the price of admission. And I already know you're paying X amount per month for Netflix, or Disney Plus, or Hulu, or some other thing that no one needs. Let me say that again, that no one needs. I know you're buying overpriced coffee every week. I know this. I have eyes. I have ears. I see you. So pony up the funds for a little insight, why don't you? Get some wisdom. Make an investment in yourself or somebody you care about. So click the link, download the book, read it for yourself, or give it as a gift. And speaking of gifts, as a special gift for you, the listener, I'm giving you an insider deal. I'm going to give you a coupon for $10 off. Everybody loves a coupon, right? Don't you love that feeling when you have a coupon code and you put it in and click apply and your total goes down? The only feeling I can compare that to is when you see your waiter approaching with your food at a restaurant. Both are great feelings. Anyway, use code CHRISTMAS to get $10 off the regular price. Once again, promo code CHRISTMAS to save $10 on your digital download. A gift from me to you. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, whatever your thing is. I'll include that special link in the show notes to make sure you get that discount. But anyway, I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday, by the way. It's basically Christmas, but with better weather and without all the added stress. Feel free to disagree. I might disagree with myself when Christmas rolls around here in a few weeks. I love Christmas too. I love it all. I'm Ryan Coleman. As always, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you soon.